What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my Beauty Baby channel. Now, I usually don't do food reviews, but I saw this in my store, and I wanted to do a little food review. So this is the Cookie Popcorn Iced Gingerbread. I have never tried these snacks before. Like I said, I got them for $5 Below. I don't know where else you can find them at. But, so it says it has caramel in here, it has molasses, it has cinnamon in here, has chili powder, cane sugar, and some other ingredients. Y'all know they be putting a bunch of stuff that you can't even pronounce in there. But and it also contains milk, soy, and wheat. So this is how it looks. This is the Cookie Popcorn Iced Gingerbread. And then I just really love the packaging of this bag. It's really pretty. It has like little Christmas colors up here. Up here it also says 150 calories per serving. If you guys want to know the calorie serving, it's non-GMO and it has low sodium. And I just really love the packaging on here, and I love everything about it. I love the little design. And they also had the Christmas design on the bottom. So let's go ahead and get into opening this. I feel like when I opened it, it was a strong like smell, but it smells good, like a strong like cinnamon, like that gingerbread like type smell, like cinnamon mixed with gingerbread and all that other good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and try it. It has a lot of, what I can see, it has a lot of kernels in it, so be careful. So put that right here. If you guys can kind of see how that looks, I'm gonna take some of the kernels out. I'm going to try this little piece right here. It just broke off. And I think right here, this is the, like, that kind of, like, brown part right there. That might be a piece of the gingerbread as well. Oh, look like it's covered. Oh, okay. Look like it's covered in, like, some, like, drizzle. I don't know if you guys can see that. But, like, you see that white part is, like, covered in some type of, like, drizzle. But it looks like it's going to be good. So we're going to go ahead and eat it. I'm going to give you guys my first impressions. Okay. So, that thing that I showed you guys, that was a gingerbread. Cause I bit a piece off of the gingerbread. It's a really, really strong gingerbread flavor. I like gingerbread, but I don't like it that, like, strong, like, as strong. It looks like they put some type of, like, drizzle on here. But that brown piece is, like, the gingerbread, so let's try it again. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I like it. Like I said, if you don't really like gingerbread, like that taste of like gingerbread, and you don't like cinnamon and stuff like that, you wouldn't like this. But if you like that gingerbread flavor, if you like, you know, all that other stuff, you will like these. These are really, really good. And like I said, I got them for $5 Below. I don't know where else they sell them, but I got these for $5 Below. So thank you guys for watching this little food review, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.